Today we've completed a bird job at a parking garage. At this facility there's been a lot of pigeon activity, as you can see from the droppings there. What we've done is we've installed a net across this opening here to prevent the pigeons from roosting on this ledge. And the way that it works is you basically run a cable up and along the wall, and then you take the netting material and then clamp it onto the net, and the result is a bird exclusion job, and it prevents any pigeons from landing in this area. And we've done the same thing down below on these ledges there. A total of 5 panels were installed for this pigeon exclusion project.